Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Cilya and today's video is going to be a lock bead tutorial. If you guys haven't watched it already, I posted a short about me going to Michael's and basically getting a lot of tools so that I can do these lock beads for a good price. I don't have to pay for shipping, wait for shipping. I was being kind of impatient. This needle though, I got this from Amazon, scissors from Amazon. I'm in my silver girl era, so I'm getting some silver beads to put in my hair to match my jewelry that I got going on my face. Now in today's video, I'm going to be beading my hair in two different approaches. I am beading my hair for the first time today. I'm not a professional, so please don't judge me. I'm just sharing this experience with you guys because I love y'all. People usually use the regular string, but I'm using the stretchy string because I wanted to do something a little funky while doing my beads today. This first approach, I'm going to be tying a knot at the end because I'm going to be threading this needle through my hair and I'm going to have more beads to do a little design. So after tying the knot, I'm going to go ahead and put the string through the crochet needle and I'm going to thread it through my hair and I'm going to pull it through so that the knot is kind of against my lock and that is secure in that area. Something that I noticed about using this stretchy thread is that it kind of comes apart at the end, as you can see, but you can cut that part off. It did bother me a little bit, so next time I'll do this, I'll probably try the regular string the next time I go to Michael's. I'm going to be cutting the string right at the end so it doesn't stick out and look kind of weird, but I'm going to be using two different types of needles today. For the first needle that I'm using, it's like a regular needle. It looks like a regular crochet needle. It's very flimsy, so you have to be careful. After putting the first set of beads on there, I'm going to go ahead and thread the string through the hoop. Then you're going to go ahead and fold the string and you're going to pull the beads down to actually get on the string. So it should look like this at the end, and you're going to basically keep threading and pulling it down until the straggly end is free. After that, I'm going to basically thread the side of the string that has the beads through my hair, and I'm going to have the string laying alongside my lock. I'm going to thread the string again through my lock, but without any beads, just to create a space between the first set of beads and the second set of beads. And I'm going to keep doing this over and over again, working my way up the lock until I'm satisfied. You may be wondering, why didn't she put more beads towards the end of the lock? It's simply because it's loose and I don't want it to unravel. Now, the second way I did these locks was pure discovery. So this is a combined lock that I have. I'm using this needle. I like it because it has the hook on the end, so it prevents the beads from slipping. But my lock was small enough for me to just thread it through like a regular beater. So I just basically did that. You could tie a piece of string at the end to kind of secure it, and I just spaced out the beads along the lock to create a little design. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. The lock was small enough. Now a tip is, when you're doing this, thread your ends and don't thread it in the middle of the lock, because when you're pulling it through, it's going to be more tension on your hair and it could actually cause more stress on your hair, versus when you do it towards the end, you have less hair to pull through, so it's not as much of a hassle and it's not stressing your locks out as much. But you could tie a string at the end like I did, what I'm doing right now, and I'm finished. This was so cute, you guys. I like the little beads at the side. I like this because honestly, when I do like side hairstyles, I can have designs that go with it and incorporate some zazzle with it. I love the personality and the elegance that beads add to locks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and there will be more videos to come because I love beads now and I have a plethora of colors that I want to try. Feel free to comment down anything in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys next time with more beads.